Hi, I'm Wyatt with VMS, and today I'll be showing you how to update and initialize your FD150 terminal to accept EBT transactions. Before we get started, I do want to ask that you hit the like button and the subscribe button with the bell notification icon turned on. That way it helps you stay informed and up to date on how to use your equipment. So with all of that out of the way, let's jump into the video. We've already gone ahead and set up your machine for you, so getting started is extremely easy. On the first screen, we're going to see three options, either Sale, Other, or an orange wrench. Go ahead and select the wrench. On the next screen, we're going to get a few options to choose from, and one of which says Settings. Go ahead and select that. Now, we've got a few more options to choose from, and the one we're looking for is Credit. Then, on the next screen, we've got 4 more options to choose from. Go ahead and select Parameters. Now we've got our last menu we're going to see, and we want to go ahead and select Param Init, which is short for Parameter Initialization. At this point, it's going to ask you for your connection type, either dial or IP. Dial is used for those using a phone line, and IP is used for those using an Ethernet cord, like the one you'd find for a computer. In this example, we're going to go ahead and select IP. You should see your terminal ID pre-populated here. Go ahead and select the green Enter button to continue. Then you'll see your merchant ID. If everything looks good, go ahead and press the green Enter button once more. At this point, your machine is going to start the initialization process on its own. Go ahead and let it do its thing. It's going to take 1 to 3 minutes for this process to complete, so please be patient. When the process is complete, your machine should return to the main menu on its own. If it does not, go ahead and press the red Cancel button until it returns to the main screen once the initialization is complete. And that's pretty much it. It's that easy to get your machine initialized all on your own to start accepting EBT transactions at your business. I want to thank you very much for watching the video and have a great rest of your day.